How to activate Chase debit card. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. You can either activate your card from the app or you can use the Chase website. So let me head over to any of the web browser for now. Let's move into Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for Chase Activate Debit Card. Head over to the very first site, Activate Debit Card. You have to enter the login credential of your Chase account. Enter your username and the password, and then click on Sign In. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see the option where it says Activate Card. In here, you have to enter all of your card detail of your debit card. After that, you have to enter the expiration date shown on your new card. Once you have entered your expiration date, click on Activate at the bottom. Once you click on Activate, your debit card will be activated successfully, and then you'll be good to go. Now you can start using it right away. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can activate Chase debit card on app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.